Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Jasper, Alberta. This small mountain town is located in the heart of Jasper National Park, one of the largest and most beautiful national parks in Canada. Surrounded by the Rocky Mountains, Jasper is a popular place for people who love nature, wildlife, and outdoor adventures. Jasper began as a railway town in the early 1900s when the Grand Trunk Pacific Railway built a station here. It was named after Jasper Hawes, who ran a fur trading post in the area in the early 1800s. Over time, the town grew into a center for tourism and became an important part of the national park. Today, Jasper is known for its stunning scenery, including glaciers, lakes, rivers, and mountain peaks. It's also part of the world's second largest dark sky preserve, making it a great place for stargazing. Whether you're here for a drive, a hike, or just to relax, Jasper is a place full of natural wonder. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Jasper, Alberta. Thanks for watching!